12 Windows 11 tricks you need to know. Realign the Start button. The location of the Start button is the first item that will catch your attention. It was formerly positioned in the lower left corner of the screen, but it is now in the taskbar's center, alongside the other icons. But you can change it back, so don't worry. You can also try different settings, depending on your preferences. Add more options to your right-click menu. Now, the right-click menu narrows down to the most crucial configuration options. To display a spillover menu in case you require further settings, printing, changing the backdrop, or viewing the entire file location, for example, select Show More options. Customize the Quick Settings panel. Windows 11 separates the quick settings that appear in the Actions Center in Windows 10 from that panel's notifications. Click the area of the taskbar that has Wi-Fi, speaker, and battery icons to open a settings menu that lets you control Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, battery saver mode, and more. Create and manage multiple desktops with greater ease. Click on this icon. These desktops can then be rearranged as needed, and apps that are in one desktop can be dragged into another. If you do not have this icon, you can enable it by performing a right-click on this section and choosing Taskbar Settings. From there, you can enable it. Gather your widgets. Windows 11 fully embraces widgets, whereas Windows 10 skimped on them. Whether you're looking to read the most recent news, manage your Outlook calendar, watch local traffic, check the weather, check sports scores, follow stock prices, or manage your calendar, anew the taskbars has you covered. Pair input-output devices. Windows 11 gets a full-featured sound menu, with the ability to pair new input and output devices. Open Settings, click System, then Sound, and click a device under the Output section to link external speakers or other devices, or click Add Device under Input to connect an external microphone. You then have a choice to connect via Bluetooth and wireless docks. Listen with new sound modes. You get extra control over your audio output in Windows 11, including mono audio and enhanced audio modes. To go mono, open Settings, choose System, then click Sound. Then enable mono audio to combine the left and right audio channels. Pin apps to the Start menu. Right-click on the app that you wanted to pin, then choose Pin to Start. To remove apps, right-click App and choose Unpin from Start. Get better recommendations. The new Start menu has a recommended section for recent files and frequently used apps. To customize what appears here, open Settings, then Personalization and Start so you can tell Windows to stop showing recently installed apps, frequently used apps, or recently opened items in the Start menu, App List, and elsewhere. Run Android apps. Microsoft shocked the world when it announced that Windows 11 would be able to run Android apps, that is, run Android apps directly on the Windows hardware. No Android phone required. You can play games like Roblox and other for free. It's not as convoluted as it sounds, but the initial setup is less than instant. Record audio with the new Sound Recorder app. Go to search bar, then just type Sound Recorder. It also allows you to output in a good selection of formats, including AAC, MP3, WMA, FLAC, and WAV. That said, it's pretty basic, with no audio trimming capability. Now you are somewhat knowledgeable about Windows 11. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys.